Let's start in a child's pose. Separate your knees as wide as your mat and bring your big toes together to touch. Then reach your hands out in front and settle your chest down toward the mat. Relax your forehead and soften your face. Begin to arrive. Start to deepen your breath. As you inhale, feel the air draw all the way down to the base of your ribs. And exhale, press it gently out your nose. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out and a deep breath in and a deep breath out, and one more. Inhale and exhale. Make your way up to tabletop. Puppy dog pose. Keep your hips over your knees and start to walk your hands out in front. Reach your hands forward until the chest starts to lower toward the ground. Let the forehead come to the ground, or maybe rest the chin on the ground. Tabletop. Walk the hands back under the shoulders. Root through the L's of your hands. Tuck your toes. Take a deep breath in. Exhale. Lift hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Slowly make your way to the top of your mat. Padangusthasana. Separate your feet wide and hook your fingers around your big toes. Inhale, lengthen the heart forward, flatten the lower back. Exhale, bow over the legs. Take several rounds of breath here. Release your hands. Inhale and slowly begin to roll the spine up. Reach the shoulder blades up towards the ears. As you breathe out, relax the shoulder blades back and down. Let the palms turn forward. Tadasana. Tree pose. Shift the weight into the right foot and connect the left foot with your right ankle, calf or inner thigh. Inhale as you bring the hands together at the heart. Tadasana. Exhale, lower the foot to the mat. Stand tall. Second side, tree pose. Right foot to left inner thigh or shin. Tadasana. Exhale. Return the foot to the mat, feet parallel. Rest your gaze on one point around eye level. Strong core. Then slowly start to lift your heels up. Maybe arms sweep by your ears. Exhale, lower the heels back to the mat. Urdhva Hastasana. Inhale as you reach your arms tall, softening your shoulders down your back. Exhale and swan dive forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Press your hands into your quads, shins, or the floor. Exhale, left foot back, low lunge. Lower your back knee down. Inhale, crescent lunge. Reach your arms overhead. Exhale, hands to heart. Breath out, revolved crescent. Twist to the right, left tricep to outer thigh. Low lunge. Unwind and bring the hands down. Tuck the back toes. Lift the back knee. Pyramid pose. Step the back foot closer to set up for the fold. Straighten the front leg and halfway lift the torso forward. Inhale. Exhale. Bow down over the front leg. Feel a deep stretch in the front hamstring. Low lunge. Bend the front leg and step the back foot back. Take a breath in here. Exhale, forward fold. Step forward. Inhale and lift halfway. Exhale, right foot back, low lunge. Lower your right knee down and roll your spine up. Inhale as you reach your arms to the sky for crescent lunge. Exhale, hands to prayer. Exhale to twist left, revolved crescent. Right tricep to left thigh. Low lunge, hands to the mat, back toes tuck, back knee lifts. Pyramid pose. Step the back foot up a bit, shorten your stance. With hips square, straighten the front leg and halfway lift the torso forward. Inhale. Exhale, fold down over the front leg, deep hamstring stretch. Come back to low lunge. Slowly rise out of the fold, rebend the front knee, and step the back foot back. Take a deep breath in here. Exhale, forward fold. Step the right foot to meet the left. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your palms and step back to bent elbows, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Open your chest. Exhale, down dog. Lift up from the core. Make your way to a seat, legs in front, knees bent. Come to a wide-legged seat. Separate your legs wide. Flex your feet so your toes face up and stick your bum out. Inhale to lengthen your torso. Then exhale, start to hinge forward from the hips. Lead with your chest and push your chin forward. Then start to crawl your hands out in front. Slowly lift your torso back up. Pull your legs into center and place your feet on the mat. Supine. Slowly lower your back to the mat. Extend your right leg to the sky, left leg long to the mat, and interlace your hands behind your right hamstring, then gently pull the leg in towards your face. Bring the right foot down, both feet to the mat. Pull your left knee into your chest. Interlace your hands behind your left hamstring. Right leg long on the mat. Lengthen your left leg and draw it in towards your chest. Release the leg and bring both feet to the mat. Draw both knees into your chest. Take one last inhale. And exhale, Shavasana. Lay the legs out long. Work the arms out to the sides. Just close your eyes and be still. Become aware of your breath once more. Start to move your fingers and your toes. Thank you for sharing this practice with us. Namaste.